Hello, IELTS candidates, and welcome to our IELTS Secrets podcast. Today, an IELTS candidate will be answering the examiner's questions about history. Firstly, you will see the examiner's question. Then, you will see the student's response. Finally, you will see an improved version that could help the student achieve a higher speaking score in the exam. When you see the improved version, ask yourself, why is the second response better than the original? Let's get started.
Now, let's move on to talk about history when you were a child. Did you enjoy learning history?
Not really, because when we were in the school, I believed that they're only giving us some wrong information. So they just twist the reality. And because of that, I didn't like to learn history.
Not really. When I was in school, I felt like they were giving us some inaccurate information, twisting reality. Because of that, I didn't enjoy learning history.
Have you ever been to a museum to learn about history?
I've been to some museums, but not recently, but it was not about the history. I was just curious about seeing the stuff.
I have been to some museums, though not recently. However, my visits were not specifically to learn about history. I was mostly curious to see the exhibits.
When was the most recent occasion you explored a history book?
The last time. I remember when I was in high school, I read a book about Hitler Third Reich. It was the name and it just gave me some information about the development of this person.
The last time I remember reading a history book was back in high school. It was about Hitler's Third Reich, and it provided me with information about his development as a person.
Ask yourself the following question. Why is the second response better than the first? Would you like an IELTS expert to evaluate and correct your speaking responses? Remember, it's through your dedicated practice that you can perfect your skills. So, keep practicing and see the difference it makes in your performance. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Feel free to visit our website for comprehensive support and guidance. We're here to help you succeed in your IELTS examination. Best of luck.